Cleaning and shutting down your electric EA Series steamer. In this video, we will cover how to clean your Vulcan EA Series steamer. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. When shutting down the steamer, set the main power switch to the off position to power down the unit. The power light will turn off and the generator will begin draining. This will activate the condensate valve, which will help cool down drain temperatures. Leave the compartment door open after shutdown to allow the inside compartment and silicone gasket to dry out. To clean the unit, wipe down the cavity and gasket with a soft, lint-free cloth or paper towel. Important: power supplied to the steamer must remain on for 15 minutes after the main power switch is set to the off position. This will allow the drain cycle to complete. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Electric EA steamer. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.